All right, I'm going to do probably one of the most annoying things I could have ever do for YouTube, and that's put it on autofocus. You know, last, I don't know, couple of years, I've been taking pretty good input, but I've taken a lot of heat for using this Intex air mattress and then, you know, cutting a hole in it.
Okay, here we go.
With a knife,
Oh.
and then patching it with flex tape.
It's
A
leaking.
lot of people have said works great, or hey, I'll give that a try, and then others are like, it didn't work, it won't work, that stuff doesn't work, you're faking it. You know, I'm just going to show you it works. Use our Amazon link down below. When you do, it helps us out and it doesn't cost you a penny more. And after using the link, save it to your bookmarks so you can have easy access to it in the future. Thank you. Okay, this is not how I normally do things around here, but I'm just gonna do it. I think it's the other side. Now, the last time I did this, I might have brought in the, I don't know what I did. I brought in the vacuum, and I think the time before that it was the air compressor. I don't know why I didn't use the hairdryer. So this time I'm just going to use the hairdryer. You see that okay? Oh, let's like this. In here. It's in low. Oh, well, now you're looking at the wall. Oh, you okay? All right. Are you getting seasick? Can you see what's going on? Let's tighten this down. Okay, tighten down. We'll unscrew this. This comes off here. Now the patch is on the fuzzy side, and it's probably down there. I tell you what, let's pump it up. This is the kind of room I got in this room. I'm gonna put it on the cold setting because if it's on the hot setting, there you go. If it's on the hot setting, I don't want it to melt. You ready? Go! No, go! Hey, it kind of works! Still rolling. I guess I could, oh, there. I could do that. I could do that. Let's do that. Rather than, okay, so the little hole, can you see that down there? The little hole here? It's got a valve, so I can put, oh, I can't on this thing. If it's not one thing, it's another. Okay, that sucked. That didn't work. So this should be a behind the scenes thing. This will work better. Yep, filling up. That's the way to do it. You play the guitar on the MTV.
That's the way you do it. Play the guitar on the MTV.
So there's a one-way valve. Yeah, there's a one-way valve thing here that when you push air in, it opens up there's a shaft and then a plug, and it pushes that plug open, air goes in, and then the pressure from the air closes on that thing and it won't let the air out. That's it. That's good. Hey, that went pretty quick with a hair dryer. Then I suppose if you wanted, there, can you see the patch right there? Let's here. Let's get this in close. Take the camera off. Go like that. There. And it's still holding. Listen very carefully. Tell me if you hear it coming out. Shh, we're gonna be quiet. No, it didn't come out. It's holding. That's after, I don't know, when did I do this? Check the date, check the other video. It's still working. It still works. I'm pretty sure this is probably the best video I think I've ever done. All right. I'm gonna actually put some weight on it. That was another one of the things. They said, you never... Oh, that was the door closing. You never sleep on it. You don't know what... You don't... Should wait 24 hours. All right, 24 hours. Lights are going out. Click. You know, this is actually pretty comfy. This is the new guest room. When people come over, heck, when I just need a nap, this is what I'm gonna do. All right, folks. Flex tape, it works. Seals the hole. It's still doing good. Yeah, it's not leaking. Let's see. Yeah, maybe a little air came out. I don't think air was coming out of this hole though, because I can't hear it. I'm gonna put my head here. Nah, it's not coming out. It's not coming out. I'm gonna fill it up with more air. There you go. Does that work? You know, I like it. And I like the proximity of everything. Nice. All right, it's the new spot. If you ever come over and you want to spend the night, this is where you're gonna do it. Get comfy. All right. God bless you. God bless America. May America bless God. I'll have a link to Flex Tape down below in case you want to pick yourself up some. I know where you can get it real cheap. Don't do this at home, folks. You may blow yourself up. Ha ha ha.